going on? Welcome back to the channel. Last weekend we went to Caffeine and Octane. I know, yet again, we're always there it seems like, but they put on so many cool events, it's hard not to go. But this one was Caffeine and Octane Fest, and it was at the Lanier Raceway, which is their drift track and oval racing, things like that. And so they were putting on like an all-day event where they had a car show, they had the drift track open all day long, they were doing tandem events. And this time I decided I want to go and not only spectate, but I want to get in a car and go around the track. Honestly, I've been to so many of those, Friday night drift events and Caffeine and Octane drift events, and I never did it. Usually I get car sick, so I was like, you know what? I don't care this time. I'm doing it. So guys, I'm going to transport you via editing, believe it or not. I'm gonna send you guys to the footage of that day, and you guys can watch my little ride-along experience. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. Oh, and if you want to subscribe, thank you guys, 4,000 subscribers. We just hit it if you're watching the video when I post it. 4,000. So thanks so much. Subscribe down there. Let's go 5,000. Come on. All right, and footage, go. Sick, let's do it. First ride along ever, guys. This is it. And I'm sorry, what was your name?
Oh, I'm Daniel.
Daniel Tyler. Nice to meet you, man. We'll see if we can get into some trouble here. Oh, dude, that's all right. That just added to it, dude. I'll let you go first. Thanks. Woo, guys, we did it. That was killer. First one.
You survived.
We did it. First one done, dude. That was crazy.
I got a video, but I think my fingers got it at one point because I was like trying to watch you.
Dude, that was so fun. My mouth is like dry right now. I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but dude, he was super cool guy, man.
Oh,
super cool.
Awesome.
And he did spin out in the center there, but I'm like, hey man, once around, why the hell not, you know? So
that's awesome.
Woo, dude, I feel so much better. I finally did it.
Yeah.
Guys, I'll be honest with you. Every chance I was at this track, I'm like, you know what? One of these days I gotta do it. And then today I'm like, I'm just biting the bullet and I'm doing it. I really wasn't like that dizzy. I thought I was gonna get like crazy, but no.
That's good.
He was pretty damn smooth with it.
Yeah,
so.
it looked like he was pretty good.
Oh my God.
That was awesome.
Dude, that was super fun. I hope the footage turned out good. I don't even know what it looks like, so hopefully you guys liked it. So we'll see. Pretty cool, right? Dude, that was absolutely epic. That first one that I did, the guy I met there, super cool guy, by the way. He had that BMW E36, I believe, and he's actually pretty new to drifting as well. I find out that all later in the day after I was talking with him a bit, but super cool. I was super happy to actually finally go for a ride this time and kind of experience that. I was also a little worried about going for a ride because then I'm the type of person that, like, if I have an interest in something and I end up doing it, I usually then want to do it more, or in this case, buy a drift car and go drifting and learn and whatever. And honestly, I do. I kind of have a little bug where I'm like, man, what if I bought like a cheap 350Z or like a little Miata or something and took it to the track and learned how to drift? I mean, I think it'd be cool. I mean, I could drift the Mustang, but it's just, if I slide it into something, it's more expensive. If I break something on this car, it's more expensive. And honestly, I want to hold the value where it's at right now, just in case we make something happen on the channel and need to trade it in or sell it. But anyways, another cool little crazy bit here is that T-Pain, like the rapper, was at the track. What? drifting his RTR Mustang. He also had a BMW there as well. Him and actually David Patterson were taking people on ride-alongs throughout the day with T-Pain's cars. So that was pretty crazy to see. I wanted to get a picture with him, but he had a lot of people around him all the time, and I don't want to be that guy. So I just kind of hung out and we were watching and whatever, but super cool. I can't believe it. I mean, T-Pain? Like, really? So pretty crazy. But anyways, getting back to the actual experience, guys, I decided to do a second ride along. So here's the second ride along. No spinouts this time.
Sick! Man, no spinouts that time, dude. That was clean. That was awesome.
You wanna go again?
I'll keep it at that, I think. I'm a one and doneer for now. I gotta get used to this.
Well, guys, that has been my little drifting experience, my little ride along experience. And this is just a super chill video, guys. This is not like crazy. I just kind of wanted to hang out with you guys and kind of show you this and see what you guys thought. Have you guys ever been in a drift car before? Have you guys been on track? Let me know. I'm curious how many people, you know, that watch my videos are into drifting or they're into, you know, autocross or anything like that. If you have a Mustang EcoBoost or GT or whatever, and you take it to the track and you drift it, let me know. I'm curious, guys. Put it in the comment section, because I was super tempted. I'm like, man, I got a rear-wheel drive car. I mean, it's got an e-brake on it. It's automatic, so that wouldn't be perfect, but I could make it happen. Put on the stock wheels and tires and send it around. But I don't know, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please make sure to like the video. Helps me out a ton. And obviously we're on our road to 5,000 subscribers. I really want to hit that soon. So if you guys don't mind and you've made it this far, consider hitting that little subscribe button right there and helping your guy out. Okay? All right. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.